Hey everyone, it's been a few months since my last tool haul video, so figured I'd just do a quick update. A few things I picked up since about Christmas was the last one. I got some Icon stuff. Picked up the Icon snap ring plier set. Seems to be a real nice piece. I've only taken it out of the package, haven't used them yet. Bought a set of the long ball hex sockets, standard and metric. Bought the scraper and removal tool set. Got a set of standard and metric S wrenches, Icon. Another set of drill bits from the last free item weekend with the ITC member. Bought those, got those free. Brad's Workbench turned me on to these from Amazon, the smaller set of bolt biters from Gearwrench. Got the Tekton folding ratchet, able to get one of those next time those are available. Set of Van plier shear scissors. Those seem real nice. Most Vampire stuff. A couple pair of the small Knipex, little itty bitty, the 100s, the 125s. Set of Tekton ball peen hammers. Set of those Bremen squeeze clamps, and some batteries I got for Christmas off Amazon. These are the made in China ones for the Craftsman C3 19.2 volt and the Milwaukee M12. I haven't had any problems with them. I did build a wood rack. I'll try and put a video or a picture in right here of it. And they held up real nice. I used one battery with my circular saw, my jigsaw, and the Sawzall, and did all the drilling with one drill and one battery, and still had juice left. Only used about half of one battery, and I'm not quite sure on those ones. I didn't look at the gauge on the drill to see what those were at. Pretty happy with those. I think those were 50 bucks for the pair of them. These were like 60 for the pair of them. You know, you really can't buy those from Sears anymore because they stopped making that line. So it kind of held me on for a little bit longer till I replaced it with the M18. But that's stuff I've got basically since Christmas. Just trying to pick up a few things here and there that I want. Still want to get a set of standard metric wrenches. Probably Icon or Tekton, not sure yet. I know one's double the price. But there it is. My tool haul since Christmas. Y'all be safe. See ya.